Welcome to Defense Tech World. Today we're turning our attention to a stylish and beginner-friendly cruiser, the 2026 Honda Rebel 300. Known for its minimalist design and easy rideability, the Rebel 300 has long been a favorite among new riders and urban commuters alike. The 2026 model builds on that reputation with subtle upgrades and modern touches, making it more appealing than ever. Let's take a closer look at what's new and why this cruiser continues to stand out. Design and aesthetics. The 2026 Honda Rebel 300 retains its signature low-slung, bobber-inspired styling but introduces a more refined and contemporary edge. The round LED headlight, blacked-out components, and compact frame give it a bold yet clean look. Honda has added new color options and updated graphics, allowing riders to express their personality even more. The slim fuel tank and low seat height not only enhance its visual appeal but also ensure a comfortable and confident riding posture, especially for beginners. Performance and powertrain. Powering the 2026 Rebel 300 is a reliable 286 cubic centimeters single-cylinder engine, known for its smooth delivery and excellent fuel efficiency. It's paired with a slick 6-speed transmission that makes city riding effortless and highway cruising manageable. The lightweight chassis and low center of gravity make handling incredibly easy, whether you're navigating tight streets or learning the basics of riding. The suspension setup has been slightly refined for improved comfort, offering a smoother ride over bumps and uneven roads. Safety and technology. Honda continues to focus on rider confidence and safety with the Rebel 300. The 2026 model comes equipped with ABS as standard, ensuring better braking control in various conditions. The updated digital LCD instrument cluster provides clear and essential information, including gear position and fuel consumption. LED lighting all around improves visibility, while the overall ergonomics make long rides less tiring. Though simple, the technology is practical and rider-focused. Conclusion. The 2026 Honda Rebel 300 remains one of the best entry-level cruisers on the market, thanks to its approachable performance, stylish design, and dependable engineering. Whether you're a new rider or someone looking for a lightweight, everyday cruiser, the Rebel 300 offers a perfect balance of form and function. Stay tuned to Defense Tech World for more automotive and motorcycle reviews, updates, and first looks at the machines that matter most.